Kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. Now let's talk about the pricing of these devices. Now Redmi K30 is the new device, so the 128GB version is priced at 1250 AED, and the Redmi Note 7 Pro is the old device, so the price of this device is 650 AED in UAE. Definitely you can buy it in Amazon. I will provide you the links in the description below for both these devices where you can buy. For Redmi Note 7 Pro, there are a lot of deals running and a lot of promotions running, but Redmi K30 is a new device, so the price is stable now, and definitely with time is gonna decrease. Also, Redmi K30 comes in a 5G variant, which is not released in Dubai at the moment of making this video, but for sure soon it will be launching in Dubai. Now let's talk about one of the most important thing and what all of you have been waiting for is the camera of these devices. So starting with the Redmi Note 7 Pro. Now it has a dual camera system. The main camera is 48 megapixel with f1.8 aperture, and also it has a 5 megapixel depth sensor to give you a nice creamy bokeh effect. It can take 4K 30 frames per second from the rear camera. On the front it has a selfie camera of 13 megapixel. It can take 1080p with 30 frames per second videos from the front camera. Now one of the most strongest point about Redmi K30 is its camera. It's rocking a quad camera setup with the main camera of 64 megapixel with f1.9 aperture. Also there is a wide angle lens. It also has a 8 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide camera. Also there is a 2 megapixel dedicated macro camera for macro shots. And also there is a 2 megapixel depth sensor for the bokeh effect. It can definitely shoot 4K videos with 30 frames per second from the rear. On the front, it has a main 20 megapixel selfie camera with f2.2 aperture. And there is also a 2 megapixel depth sensor for the bokeh effect. It can take 1080p videos with 30 frames per second from the front camera also. But definitely there is an advantage for Redmi K30 for the wide angle lens it has. So this is the main advantage it has over the Redmi Note 7 Pro. Now let's enjoy some photos and this is the night or low light video comparison between Redmi Note 7 Pro and the Redmi K30. This is in 1080p video. Now this is a 1080p video recording. Now this is the video comparison between both the devices. Now both are shooting 4K 30 frames per second. And to be honest, video look quite identical. Redmi Note 7 Pro has slightly better dynamic range. Let me know in the comments which camera you like for the video recording. Also, let's see the stabilization in 4K. definitely the Redmi K30 is more stable and more smooth in 4K video recording compared to the Redmi Note 7 Pro. But if you hold the phone steady, then... So this is the video test and comparison between Redmi Note 7 Pro and the Redmi K30. Also you can hear the... Also you can see the audio icon. Let's check the stabilization. Both of them look quite identical actually. So overall, Redmi K30 definitely has an edge being a new device, but Redmi Note 7 Pro definitely stands its own in a lot of departments. You can say the build quality, the display, but definitely K30 has an edge. It's a new device, a new processor, camera is definitely better. So there are a lot of differences. So if you have a Redmi Note 7 Pro and you are planning to upgrade, this is a perfect video for you. If you want to see all my unboxing videos, you can click over here to see the link over here. That's all for this video, guys. I hope you enjoy the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the thumbs up. I will really appreciate that. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye and peace out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.